This is what I do when I feel off, unmotivated, and also overwhelmed. It is real, it is soft, and it works. Even on my messiest days when I'm not even feeling myself. Some mornings I wake up energized. Well, there are some mornings I'll just wake up, I don't even feel like doing anything. I would practically have to drag myself off the bed to do this and do that. And when I think that I have to come and start going for work, I just feel like I just need to sleep again. Now this routine is for the second kind of day. You know those days when you feel like I just woke up on the wrong side of the bed. I don't even know what happened to me last night. You look sluggish at work. You don't really look like you are very much productive. You don't even feel like I have to go to work today, or I have to go to school today, or I have to visit that friend, or I have to go for that meeting. This particular tutorial now is for those days. The first thing is to start slow. No phones, no guilt, nothing. Just yourself. Don't force yourself, don't push yourself. That's what I've been doing. I will just wake up. From the very first time, I will know that this is how today is going to be. So I'll just sit still. I'll not even force myself. I won't even go to my phone. I'll just leave it there, and I'll just stand up slowly, and I'll start moving to do other things that I want to do. But first of all, just sit and breathe. Let your body catch up what your mind has, because this is seriously a disconnection between what your body feels and what your mind has to do for that day. There are two different things. So you want to start waking up and just start moving like that? No. On those days you feel burnt out from the brain to your body, and you end up making yourself angry. You won't even feel happy. So just when you wake up, just sit down quietly, breathe deep in and out. It might sound funny, but it works. Try to make your body and your mind correlate. Let this should work together. I mean, this is after a morning prayer. That's everyday morning prayer, which is advisable and very important. Now the second thing I do is I'll just freshen up. I'll just wake up from my bed. Sometimes I won't even cook. I'll just go straight to my bathroom, take my bath, just freshen up, use moisturizer. No serious skincare routine on days like that, trust me. No layers of this or layers of that. Nothing. Just your normal face, your moisturizer. Pack your hair up. Do your hair how you want to do it. Put it in that place that you know that I'm always comfortable putting my hair here every time. Put your hair there, wear your face moisturizer, and that is just it. Do you understand? Something very simple, not too heavy, because you're already feeling heavy physically, and also your brain as well. So please don't do that. And the cold water on your skin revives you a bit. It makes you feel okay, we are here. The real thing it does to your brain. So it just makes you feel like, okay, we are here, we are going to do this. It brings you alive. Let me just put it that way. Now another thing is you do a light tidy up. Very light tidy up. Dress your bed, sweep your floor. Sometimes that's just enough. If there's anything that is not where you're supposed to be, just try and arrange those small things. Not because you are going somewhere. I mean, for those days where you're not going out, but because you matter. Arranging your space helps declutter your mind. Once you look around, you feel, okay, I'm comfortable in this space. This is where I want to be. Now what should I do next? But when you wake up to an environment that feels untidy, that feels scattered, I mean, personally, I don't know for other people, but personally, my brain works the same way my room works. The same way my room is. If I look at my room and it feels scattered, honestly, everything that goes on here is scattered. That's why my space, I don't really like sharing space with people that scatter things. I'm serious. I'm sorry, but it's just the truth. If I'm sharing a space with someone that scatters things, I have problems with that, because it disturbs my mental space. Don't do too much. One thing with doing too much is that you end up pushing yourself so much that even the little thing will start making you feel angry. Now the next thing I do is to check in with myself. I use my checklist, or I use my journal to ask myself, how do I feel? How am I feeling now? Am I aligning with this thing that I wrote out that I know I would like to feel? Where am I? And another thing is, how do I want to feel in this minute or at this moment? Now, if you think of it, whatever it is that you know you want to feel like, write them down. Write it down in your journal. The more you keep writing, the more you keep channeling the energy that you are feeling. You can either start with the thing is, start with the energy you are not comfortable with. Write it down. Then the next page, write down the energy you know you want to feel like. I want to feel energized. I want to feel happy. Don't write it like I want to. Write it like I feel energized. I feel happy. I feel satisfied. I look good. Girl, you are on point. You make sense. You smell nice. You look good. Your outfit looks good on you. You're going to make it today at that office. Everybody's going to be looking at you. Many people talking about you. I mean, come on, you're going to. I mean, do you understand? The more you keep writing it down, you start feeling it. I mean, before you know it, your brain space opens up. This really works. It's a trick. Just you're trying to trick your brain into thinking that is what it is, and instantly it starts working. And that is my soft girl reset. It is not pretty, it is not perfect, but it works for me. I don't need to just put my head into so much. I can only watch things for motivation, but the next thing that takes me on is my discipline. Do you understand? So that's another thing. It won't change anything if you watch this video and then you don't discipline yourself. You just simply believe in, let me just motivate myself or keep on watching videos. Trust me, you wait for motivation, you will keep on watching videos upon videos upon videos, and you will still not do anything. Discipline is key. That is just my simple reset, and trust me, it helps me glow up again gently. It brings me back to where I want to be. It brings my mindset back to where I want to be. The evergreen woman, like I always say in my videos, I want to be the evergreen woman. So it brings me also that mind space of being the evergreen woman, and I start seeing the image of myself. I start seeing the picture of myself being that woman that I want to be. Before you know it, the energy I felt before that wasn't okay is gone, and I'm trying to embody this person in my inner self, even if I'm not high yet on the outside. Now what I feel inside radiates outside. Now you see me going to work, I'm smiling, I'm laughing, I'm doing this, I'm doing that. Yes, it's very good to transfer good energy to other people. Don't go and give somebody bad energy. Work on yourself. Go out. So that the energy you're pushing out that follows you outside feels energized. Someone will see you and tap from your energy, tap from your source. You don't know what you've done for that person on that day. If you don't have a reset plan, I added this into the everyday girl glow checklist. It's in my description box. It is totally free. Like I've been saying in my previous video, it is totally free. So definitely go into the description box, use the link, and then download it and start glowing up softly. Try this reset. Even if it's messy, even if it doesn't feel like it's making sense to you, just try it and let me know how you felt in the comment section. Seriously, you thank me later. But that is all what I have for this video. If you're going to be doing this, leave me a smiley emoji in the comment section, and I'll definitely do well to respond to you. Also, let me know your thoughts in the comment section. If you enjoy my videos, definitely give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on your post notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you will also be notified by YouTube that my videos are up. Okay, we are in this journey together. I am rooting for you. See you guys on my next one. Bye, bubbles.